In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, column, and paste it in a different board in Monday.com. If you've ever set up a really useful column on one board and then realized you need that exact same structure on another board, this tutorial will save you a lot of time. Instead of rebuilding the column from scratch, you can use an item to bring that column over and have Monday.com create it for you on a different board. First, open your source board. This is the board that already has the column you want to copy. Give the board a second to fully load so you can clearly see all your items and columns. Now, look at the left side of your items. You'll see a small checkbox next to each one. Click the checkbox next to any item that uses the column you want to copy. It doesn't really matter which specific item you choose, as long as the column you need is part of that item's row. As soon as you select an item, a floating menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. In that menu, click on the option that says Move To. This tells Monday.com that you want to move the selected item somewhere else. From the options that appear, choose Move to Board. This will open a list or a search bar where you can look for your target board. Now, search for and select your target board. This is the board where you want the new column to appear. Take a moment to make sure you pick the correct board, especially if you have several with similar names. Once you select the board, Monday.com will open a mapping window. This is where you decide how the columns from your source board should match up with the columns on your target board. Find the column that you're effectively copying over. In the drop-down menu next to that column, instead of mapping it to an existing column, choose Create New Column. This tells Monday.com to build a brand new column on the target board based on the one from your source board. After you've set that mapping, click Move Item. Monday.com will move the item to the target board and, at the same time, automatically create the new column there. Once it's done, open your target board and you'll see the new column added, ready for you to use just like on the original board.